Dove, Pantene, L'Oreal or Sunsilk have the maximum number of toxic chemicals in them. And when I say toxic, I mean they are really damaging. These ingredients include detergents, petroleum products, insecticides, pesticides and water. Herbal shampoo by Himalaya also falls in this category. Herbal shampoos like Dabur Vatika and Nile Naturals are no different. A little better than the category number 1 but are still far from the. Shampoo is made from 100% botanical extracts. Then why do you have to hide 90% of its ingredients? If only 10% of the ingredients in your shampoo are from natural herbs, it doesn't make that shampoo an Ayurvedic medicine. Ayush shampoo although has mentioned 3 preservatives used in it, which are all highly toxic. Similarly, Patanjali's shampoo contains urea, artificial color and fragrance. Used hair conditioners by Indians. There are some very harsh chemicals which have 8 to 10 harsh chemicals in them. It is so disappointing that the conditioners most commonly used by Indians fall into this category. You need not believe me, just check out the ingredient list of any of the hair conditioners in this category and you would find that it is full of harsh chlorides, sulfates, silicons, parabens, synthetic colors and artificial fragrances. Himalaya also falls into this category. Other herbal conditioner by Garnier, Tresemme, Matrix are no better. Even the hair conditioners made by Dr. Batra, which is a trusted brand by many, has 9 harsh chemicals in it. Of course, beer nourishes the hair, but this made from real beer conditioner by Park Avenue is truly disappointing. They do have synthetic colors and artificial fragrances. Particularly the problem with fragrance or perfume in hair conditioner is that it alone may have more than 200 undisclosed chemicals under the umbrella of it being patent to the brand. Both these hair conditioners by Tresemme have exactly the same number of harsh chemicals in them. These are the brands which are trying to fool their customers using over smart marketing gimmicks. All these conditioners mention only 10 to 20% of their ingredients on the pack. I don't understand that if your conditioner is made from 100% botanical extracts, then why do you have to hide 80% of its ingredients? And if your hair conditioner has only 10% of natural herbs, it doesn't make it an Ayurvedic medicine. The Ayush conditioner has mentioned the 3 preservatives used in it, which are very harmful. Similarly, Patanjali's conditioner contains urea, artificial color and fragrance. Using one of these, you surely are unaware of the high number of toxic chemicals present in them. From parabens to sulfates to alcohols to synthetic colors and fragrances, face washes have them all. Many of these synthetic chemicals are skin irritants, skin penetrators, endocrine disruptors, and even carcinogens. I was shocked to know that the most popular ones are the most toxic ones, which have more than 10 toxic chemicals in them. These, in my opinion, are the worst of the kind. All that is toxic is highly present in them, be it parabens, sulfates, alcohols, colors or fragrances. This Amway's Attitude face wash has a whopping 17 toxic. For example, Bajaj face wash uses paraben. These face wash companies are trying to fool their customers using over smart marketing tactics. All these companies mention only 10 to 20% of their ingredients. Rest is covered under soap base or excipients to which the consumer has no access. I don't understand, if your face wash is made from 100% botanical extracts, then why do you need to mention only 10% of its ingredients from harmful chemicals, as the preservatives used by them are highly toxic. Face creams with cheap toxic chemicals which do more harm than good. These face creams may deliver short-term smoothness and via Garnier, Lactocalamine, Lotus, L'Oreal and Lakme. All these face creams have about 8 to 10 harmful chemicals present in them. It is unfortunate that these creams are the most selling in India. Using captivating words like wrinkle-free, anti-aging, these companies serve your skin nothing else but toxins. These creams have parabens, skin irritants, skin penetrators, and even cancer-causing chemicals. Adding a few natural herbs to a product laden with harmful chemicals does not make it natural. But Bajaj Nomarks cream hides 86% of its ingredients, though it contains harmful preservatives like methyl and propyl paraben. Ayush promises you 5000 years of Ayurvedic wisdom by hiding 90% of their ingredients and adding toxic preservatives and synthetic colors. Similarly, Patanjali and Biotech have hidden almost 80% of their ingredients. No information as to what is present in their cream base is provided. Over 90% of the hair oils in the Indian market are loaded with harsh chemicals, which from cosmetic colors to artificial fragrances to mineral oil to alcohol. These include petroleum products, harsh alcohols, artificial fragrances, cosmetic colors, BHT, TBH. These hair oils have all the harsh chemicals that you could think of. This oil has 77% of light liquid paraffin. Light liquid paraffin, commonly known as mineral oil, is a non-sticky byproduct of petroleum industry which may be contaminated with cancer-causing hydrocarbons. Then it has 21% refined mustard oil, including sweet almond oil. So it clearly shows that it definitely has less than 21% of almond oil. And not to forget the artificial fragrance and cosmetic colors add. Also Dabur's almond oil, which has 74% mineral oil and less than 23% almond oil. Dabur Amla oil has 40% mineral oil along with refined vegetable oils. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many more hair oils in the market which have mineral oil, colors and perfumes in it. Did you know that Johnson's & Johnson's baby massage oil is 100% mineral oil? These hair oils do have Ayurvedic herbs like Bhringraj, Amla and Bahe. Apart from the small percentage of Ayurvedic herbs, rest is covered in the name of base or excipients, of which we have no information. Secondly, these hair oils are not even free from artificial fragrances, cosmetic colors and harsh preservatives like TBHQ.